Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 11, that is light, shadows and reflection. Today, we will discuss about shadows. In the previous lectures of this class, we had discussed about what is light, what are the different type of sources of light, what are the different type of objects based on the emission of light, and what are the different type of objects which allow light to pass through them or not, or partially. So these are the different topics we had discussed earlier in the lectures from this chapter. In the last lecture or yesterday lecture, we had discussed about light travel in a straight line. Now today we will discuss about shadows. So shadows are formed when an opaque object comes in the path of light, and this opaque object blocks the way of light and it forms the shadow. To understand about shadows, we will perform some activity, like activity number 2. In this activity, what we have to do, we have to take some opaque objects and a sheet of paper. So when we put that opaque object against the sunlight, there will be a dark patch formed on the sheet of paper. So with the help of a pencil, we draw an outline of that dark patch, and then we will change object after another object. So one after another object we will change and we draw the outline. After drawing the outline of several objects, try to understand the object from the outline we had drawn on the sheet of paper. In some cases we are able to understand the object, and in some cases we are not able to understand the object. So shadows will sometime tell you what will be the object, and sometimes it will not. Shadows will not form in a dark room or without a source of light. We need a source of light and an opaque object to form a shadow. Now there will be another activity we have to do. In this activity, in the evening time, move with your friend in the field. Put the torch so that the light of the torch fall on your friend's face, and then try to see the shadow of your friend. So if there will be some building, some trees are there, then the shadow will fall on the building or trees, and you are able to see the shadow of your friend. But if there is no big tall building or big trees are there, then we are not able to see the shadow. So at that moment we will use a cardboard. Just put the cardboard in back of your friend and put the torch or the light of the torch on your friend's body. So you are able to see the shadow on the cardboard. So in the previous case, when there is no background or there is no screen in the backside of your friend, there will be a shadow, but in the absence of a screen, it will not appear. So from this activity, we understand that a shadow is formed on a screen. So for a shadow, we need a source of light, we need an opaque object, and we need a screen. Now let's perform a next activity. In this activity, we will choose different type of colorful things and we will create shadows by the help of these colorful things. Maybe different color of plastic chairs, maybe different color of flowers, or different color of objects. But when we create the shadow of these objects, we are able to understand that there is no difference in the color of the shadow. There is a dark patch, or you can say that there is a black color of the shadow. So we need a source of light, we need an opaque object, we need a screen to form a shadow, and there is no differentiation in color of the shadow based on the color of the object. So class, this is a little information about shadow. I hope you all are able to understand about shadow. If any problem, ask me. I will help you class. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.